Have you ever felt this sudden urge to clean your room? Especially when your life feels messy, like everything is chaotic, but the moment you start organizing, you feel a little more in control? There's actually a psychological reason behind this. When we clean, our brain gets a sense of order and control. Even small actions, like arranging your desk or folding clothes, send signals to your brain that say, "You've got this." This releases a chemical called dopamine, the same chemical linked to motivation and satisfaction. That's why after cleaning, even a small space, you feel lighter, calmer, and more focused. Your environment directly affects your mind. A cluttered space can increase stress, reduce focus, and even affect your mood. But a clean space does the opposite. It reduces mental overload and helps your brain process things more clearly. That's why many people feel more productive after cleaning, even if nothing else has changed. But here's where it's important to understand the difference. Cleaning for peace is healthy, but when it starts to feel uncontrollable, it can be something else. OCD, obsessive-compulsive disorder, is not just liking things clean. It's when a person feels forced to repeat actions, even when they know it's not necessary. For example, someone might wash their hands again and again, not because they want to, right, but because they feel like they have to. And instead of feeling calm after, they feel anxious if they don't do it. So how do you tell the difference? Healthy cleaning feels satisfying, improves your mood, and is something you choose to do. But unhealthy cleaning feels like pressure, creates anxiety, and feels hard to control. The difference is simple. One gives you peace. The other takes it away. So next time you feel like cleaning, don't ignore it. Maybe you're not just organizing your space. Maybe your mind is trying to feel in control again. If you like understanding the psychology behind things, subscribe. I post psychology videos like these. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.